Hey everybody, Elliot Wave Guy here. Another Bitcoin update. Bitcoin to Tether on Binance, choosing it because it has a lot of volume and the bots like it. So let's start from the beginning of this bull run where we got a one wave. I'm on the 4 hour. Let me switch to daily. So we get a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of them each with their own 5 waves if you zoom in. But we're out on the daily. Then we get a ABC 1, ABC 2, ABC 3, ABC expanded flat. You can tell because this is just a straight rip, and that's not its own correction. It actually starts here, ABC, and then another ABC to finish the A wave. Then we get a B wave up here. Some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5A, ABC, B, and then another 5 waves up here. Then 5 waves to finish for the C, and that's our 1, 2 of the bull run. And now that goes to the 9-5, which is very deep, but didn't pass the low down here, so it's okay. Then we get a 1 wave with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Note the very shallow 2. Note here, very shallow 2. Let's measure this one out because it's bigger. Not even to the 382. This one, oh, down here. Not even to the 382. Keep that in mind for later. Now, we got another 1, 2, pretty shallow, 3, 4, super shallow, 5, 3. This is the 3 wave. Then ABC with a lot of zigzag at the end, and then zoom into 4 hour. Right? Assuming we end here with a truncated fifth A, B, C, D, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we get a 1, 2, clean 3, 4, and then a very messy fifth wave because this is an A, B, C, or sorry, ABC1, ABC2, and then an A, shallow B, C3, 4, and then a 5. So all of these have ABC subdivisions, which made me very confused when it was happening. But then when it finishes, you're like, oh, that's what it was. Okay. So then we get a clean 5 wave down for A, B, and then a messy C wave where we go 1, 2, and then this whole thing is like a 3, 4. It's either 3 finishes here, this whole thing's 4, or what I think is this is the end. It's hard to know, but whatever. We finish down here, what I think is an A wave, and I think you can count this as a ABC, and this is a truncated fifth. So this is the actual finish point. There's no 1, 2, I don't think so. Then we get a trend change where we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 up here, 4, 5. So it's not looking that bullish just by looking at the wave structure. Then we get a B, C with hard dumps, and then we reached up here, got to the all-time high, and you think, okay, it broke out once, twice. No. Too much selling pressure. We get rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Either there or there. Not sure. Let's call it there. Shallow 2. Then a quick 1, 2, and if you zoom in, there's a 3, 4, and then you can get an extended fifth. And if you just measure it out, that is technically valid because that is higher than 100%. Oops. Now, if you take this over here and call that the 2. Then we get to the 1.72. And this could be some 1, 2, and then there's a 3 in there. 4, 5 ending here, maybe. It's hard to know. So that's another possibility. It's 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'll get to that later. Let me just focus on this. So this is a candidate for ender down here. It could roll over once more, or twice, who knows. But anyway, we have a sharp and then a complicated flat correction, ABC, A, B, and then a ending diag that's really ugly for a B, then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. It's pretty ugly because this violates here, but it's like an ABC and then another ABC. It's really ugly. Then off here we get a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're at the end of this maybe by a 1. This whole thing is a ABC, ABC, ABC or something, or ABC 3, 4, or this is the, oh my god, let me zoom in. It's hard to explain. Okay. So if you just look at this, it kind of just falls, and you can't count that as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think this is a ABC, ABC. This whole thing, 1, 2. Okay. So this whole thing could be an A, B, C, and then finally ABC up here, and then another A, B, C. It's really ugly. It could be a leading diagonal 1 wave, then a 2 that retraces pretty deep. Okay, past the 0.66. I just have the 0.66 because usually it doesn't quite bounce off the 618. So based off of that, sorry for all these fibs. I've been keeping track of it this whole time. I deleted most of it. So then we get this impulse coming down, and then this looks like a 4-wave ABC, ABC, and then a C. That's really ugly. So this whole thing looks like a 4-wave, and then we finish. So we get 5 waves coming down, 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5. And I'm on the 15 minutes, so it's pretty ugly. Then we get a maybe leading diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish. This 5th wave didn't have perfect subdivision, but it is what it is. Then what I think we have is an A, B, C. So where's the B? That's weird. The B's missing. Oh, there it is. ABC here. Or a flat. See it bounce perfectly there, and then we're coming down here somehow. So that's as far as I have it right now. And after this, this can either be a 5 ways up, be a 1, or an A, right? So if it's an A, B, and then a C that's looking weak, and it starts dropping off, we're probably going to go down one more time. But if this holds, if this one is true, it's looking way better, because we could get some 1 here, expanded flat 2, another 1, 2, and then we're looking for something like this, right? And if we're getting a 1 wave here, 2, and then this is strong for a 3, I think we're finished, like, correcting this whole structure. Yeah. So let me put this here. 3, 4, 5, right? If we're getting something that goes past the 1.618 length of this one, so I'm missing it. Why am I missing it? Oh, because I changed it here. 618. Okay, so if we're getting something that gets up here, and another condition, take a pitchfork, wave 1 to wave 2, and we hit the median line, then it's going to be looking really good. And it's going to have to really go like, so the 3's up here somewhere, 4, it's going to really have to go, because that's going to have to hit that median line. So that's why I'm thinking this whole thing is actually corrective and we haven't bottomed, because the selling pressure, you can just see it. It just wants to go down. There's still something selling pretty hard. Yeah, you can just see how it's taken a while. It's been around here for a while. Usually when it's not following these pitchforks, it just keeps passing right through them. It's gonna break down. So what I'm looking for is some 1, 2, maybe this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, and then it breaks a pitchfork. I see that at shorter time frames too. So something like that would be more bearish, because now instead of a 1, 2, 3, it's more looking like a B, C. And I'll change that degree. And then what happens after that is another impulse down. So in short, it's taken a while. This 3 could be over here somehow. And then, so this is a 1, 2, and this could be another small 4. And then this whole thing is gonna go deeper. Oh, no, 3 down here. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. That could be ugly. And then we go down to 24K. But I'm bull, and we just hit this channel, which makes me think, wow, that's pretty nice, right? Draw this channel. I'm on the regular chart though, not logarithmic. So what else do I want to say? Okay, so after this, in bigger picture, we have a 1, 2, 3. I think this is a flat 4. Could be an expanded flat if we go down here to 24K, which would be ugly, but better opportunity to buy as long as you're you have money to do so. And then what I'm thinking is, if we go back to log, I don't think we're ever in log, something like that for a last wave. And if I project strength of this wave 1 projected from the 4, and then switch this to the log view, yeah, a 100% is 130K, which I've been saying for a while. 1.72 is 200K-ish, which, I mean, it's a times 10 from this peak. then we can even go up here to 330K, which would be crazy, but doable. Oh, this is the same exact fib. No, it's not. Anyway, thanks for watching, and wish you the best of luck. And I might give an update if we come down here.